Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your best friend into a guy using AI. So there's this trend that's been going on where it's like you and your boyfriend in quotation marks, but on the second slide, it's actually your best friend transformed into a guy. So I'll do this picture here. Then I'll do turn the girl on the left. And I'm just going to enter this prompt here. Obviously you can do it like change it to your preference. I just had this one and I just really copied it from another prompt. Here's not my prompt, okay? But this is what the picture should look like, and yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.